Hey, Alex, what's a doggy say? Yeah. Just, what's a cow say? That's right. What does a sheep say? Bah. What's a chicken say? That's right. What does a tiger say? What does he say? Yeah. What's a tiger say? Yeah, that's good. What's a snake say? That's right. What does mommy say? No, mommy's not a snake. Hey, what does Murphy say? What's Murphy say? What does Murphy say? Is Murphy a dog? Murphy's not broke. Is Murphy a dog? Don't let him lick your fork. That's gross. Hey, Alex, what's a kitty cat say? Uh-oh. Hey. No, you're not going to eat Murphy. Stop. Hey, what's a kitty cat say? No, a kitty cat does not moo. A cow.
No, he has a sick kitty cat. That's what his cat always sounds like.
That's a snake. That's right.
What does a kitty cat say?
Meow. Meow.
What does a birdie say?
That's a sick birdie.
Yeah.
What's a birdie say?
Eagle or something.
Birdie say tweet, tweet.
What does a duck say? Duck.
You hear that shrug?
What does a duck say? Oh, that's what a choo-choo train says. What does a choo-choo train say? What does a train say?
Remember, choo-choo. Hey, Alex, how do you call hogs? You go, do it. Go, woo. Big Suey. Good job.